Accidents and disasters happen, but with Now Micro, you don't have to worry about losing your important data. Critical servers fail, networks experience cyber attacks, and natural disasters happen. We can restore your server, get your data back, and reduce potential downtime to get your business back up and running as soon as possible. Here are a few of the things we offer: end-to-end encryption, device and file level backup, Microsoft 365 with OneDrive and SharePoint, on-premise backup appliances, and local or virtualized backup solutions. Running a business is not an easy task, but with Now Micro, you can rest easy knowing your data is safe. Next week, we will talk about the benefits of moving to the cloud and how we can help you get there successfully. For more information on our managed services, reach out to me or check out our website at nowmicro.com.